Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So a while back I ordered the Fabfitfun for the full year seasonal subscription. That was $179 for all 4 seasons. So spring, summer, fall, and winter. Now, once I got subscribed in, they provided the opportunity for me to send 3 of those starter boxes to my friends. The starter box is only $5, but once you get it, you have 5 days to either opt out or continue that subscription. So 5 days later, you'll have to pay the $49.99. Now, the starter box has 4 products in it, and the regular subscription has, I believe it was 6 to 8 products. Okay. This is my friend Tammy, and I sent her the starter box.
All right, so we're going to reveal what is in this box, and it comes so pretty. It's all decorative and says Fabfitfun on it. Melissa had sent me an email, and I had lost it in my email, and she had to resubmit it, and I was glad she did, because I was like, oh man, I didn't want to miss the opportunity. So, all right, it says, welcome to your new favorite thing. So they encourage you all along. There is a Fabfitfun magazine. The back says, are we friends yet? So let's find out if we're friends. An editor's note so we can meet Katie.
And in here it actually does show all of the products and the options.
So
turn a little bit farther.
There we go.
Find the
So select your membership, exclusive, how the box is curated. So they explain it all to us, how they determine what they add. And oh look, we can fill this out. My name is Tammy, and I'm beautiful because, and today I will, so you can inspire yourself daily. Cut that out. It's even a cut out, so you can pin that on your mirror.
Interactive.
Boost your workouts, so it gives you suggestions. Did you get all this stuff in yours?
Yep. Each one comes with its magazine.
All right. Words of wisdom. So people are encouraging you to believe in yourself and the goodness of others. That's from Carissa. She's the CEO and founder of Thrive Cosmetics. So lots of successful informational inspiration from successful women. And then your horoscope, if you just want to know how your life is going to turn out, and then a quiz yourself. So
Password.
Did you read the magazine? Can you fill that out correctly? So lots of things to stimulate your mind and your body. So, all right, it's sticking. All right, what's in the box? So a note from us. We're all about bringing you the best, and they're excited for us to experience the starter box. So this tells me that I should have 4 products. So let me rip this up. Look, sealed and open. And we have packing that is paper, not peanuts. So, ooh, a beautiful necklace from...
Oh, that's a bracelet.
Oh, it's a bracelet. Okay. Oh, it says bracelet on the back. AdoreJewelry.com. So, available at Bloomingdale's, Nordstrom, and, of course, AdoreJewelry.com. And it tells you all about everything. Oh, it says bracelet there, too. Okay, so that's rose gold with this Swarovski. I always called it Swarovski, but
it says the bracelet features an irregular circle design, a rose gold plated chain, and a shining Swarovski.
Swarovski, you know, those really notary, you know, crystals that are popular, that are expensive.
And then it is valued at $39.
Okay. All right, the next thing inside this box is Tart C Drink H2O Hydrating Boost. And it should leave my skin soothed and refreshed. And it
With
smells...
electrolyte packed hydration.
And it smells like the sea.
Does smell good.
Just rub a little bit of that. Ooh, it's smooth and
smells
cool.
like something. I can't think of what it reminds me of. Kind of like candy,
it's
but
the
it's like
ocean.
maybe like a sweet tart.
Yeah, maybe. Like lemonade.
Lemonade. Yeah, so
like
it's kind of sweet and sour. Yeah.
Smells like lemonade.
And that is also valued at $39.
Okay, the next thing is Thirsty Hands. So these are masks.
Hand masks.
Mask gloves for the hands. So I'm interested to see how these look. Oh, I'd have to open them. Okay, so there's a pack of 2.
I wonder if they have 2 in each or if they're one for each hand.
Let's see. Slip them on. Maybe 2. It almost looks like there should be 2 in each because of the little picture. So you open it and peel them, and then you stick your hands in there.
Yep, and it says, put your palms in the air if you have tired dried hands. Formulated with a blend of plant extracts, shea butter, and vitamin E. Thirsty Hands works instantly to smooth and rejuvenate hands back to their best.
Okay, so valued at $16. So, okay, and then the final is Shake Me Up. It says Prep Rally Prime and Prep Detangler. So has the seal on there to show that it is unused. So these all look like full-size regular products, not just samples. And try not to be a barbarian here and have to use my teeth on the plastic. So she's prepared. She'll just get the knife.
Try that.
Okay,
there you go.
I can screw it off, which will hopefully let me peel this plastic up. Okay, in the meantime, smell that. It's got a almost pepperminty.
It's kind of floral.
I was going to say, kind of flower.
Like a minty floral smell.
Yeah, smells good. So, to detangle and prep. So, this has vitamins, biotin, B and C, and UV blockers. So, it pumps right out.
How does it feel?
Feels soft. Makes it feel softer. So, feel over here, like right there. And then feel where my hair is dry and scraggly.
Yeah, a little bit softer.
Yeah. And oh, look, it brought out like a little more natural wave in that.
Oh, nice.
So, let's try this side. There we go. So, those are the products, and I would say that this is well worth the $5 shipping price. It was $5, wasn't it?
Yep.
And so just to try new products, which I love to do. So,
and this was valued at $23.
So I will probably take a chance and do at least one box to see if I continue to love Fabfitfun.
Great thing is that she paid $5, got 4 products, and the whole box valued at $117. So it's worth the try.
And a beautiful bracelet. So
I love getting jewelry in my boxes.
Thank you for thinking of me, Melissa.
You're welcome. All right. Well, thanks for tuning in with us, guys. Have a great day. Bye.
Oh, go ahead. Oh, there it is. There's the crystal side up.
Bye.